In a certain kingdom, there used to be a very powerful king. His queen was very beautiful and intelligent. The king and queen had a son. Both of them did not leave any gap in their son's upbringing and education. The prince was also very handsome. His manners were polite, and he was in every way a worthy son and prince. The kings of many neighboring states wanted to marry their daughters to the prince. He had also sent marriage proposals to the king and queen. At the same time, the king and queen wanted that their prince should be married to a beautiful, intelligent and sensitive princess who was suitable for their son in every way. The king sent his prince to the kingdoms from where marriage proposals had come for him. The king wanted the prince himself to meet those princesses, understand them, and choose a suitable wife for himself. The prince agreed with his father. He went to many different kingdoms, met their people and princesses, but still, he found something missing in all the princesses. Within a few days, the prince returned to his palace. He was sad. He was thinking in his mind that perhaps he is not destined to have the happiness of his wife. Thinking this, he refused to marry and started concentrating on the work of the state. One evening, it was raining heavily. Just then, a girl came to the door of the palace. Her clothes were drenched because of the rain. His hair was disheveled. She looked completely disheveled. She told the soldiers, standing at the door, that she was a princess from a neighboring kingdom who was stuck here due to the rain. In such weather, she cannot go to her palace, so she has come here to seek shelter. But, seeing the condition of that girl, they could not believe that she was a princess. He told the king and queen about that girl. The queen gave him shelter in the palace, but to find out how true his words were, the queen planned to test him. The queen prepared a bed for the girl to sleep, on which 20 soft mattresses were laid. Then a silk sheet was spread over it. The queen very cleverly placed a pea under that silk sheet and the bedding, and then asked the girl to sleep on the same bed. The next day, as soon as the girl came out of her bedroom, the queen eagerly asked her how she slept at night. On this the girl said she could not sleep the whole night. Something was stinging him on her bed. Hearing this, the queen was convinced that the girl was telling the truth. She is some princess. Then she was kept under 20 bed sheets, even a pea was pricking, and she is also a very sensitive princess. At that very moment, the queen decided to marry her prince to that princess. The king and queen themselves left the princess in her kingdom, and after going there, they also proposed marriage to her father. The princess and her father accepted him, and the prince and princess were married. Lesson from the story: the kind of upbringing a person has received is clearly reflected in his behavior.